So Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another Google Earth Engine tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how can you calculate land surface temperature LST from Landsat level 2 dataset in Google Earth Engine. So here I am in Earth Engine catalog and I will select Landsat 8 level 2 dataset. So just copy this snippet from over here and save it into a variable named as Landsat, and then let's create a AOI. So my AOI name will be stored in variable name as AOI, and then here this is my Landsat dataset, and then I will filter. So here I have applied all these filters, and if you want to know that how these filter works, then you can click on top right corner. This is my collection ID and it is stored in a variable name as Landsat. This will filter all the images that is only in my area of interest, and this is a filter of date, that from this date to this date only those images will appear. And let's comment these lines just like this, and then I am saying that add a filter of cloud where cloud is lt mean less than 10, and if I will use print Landsat, then run this code in console, it will print all those images that are in this time period over my area of interest having cloud cover less than 10. So these are 17 images, and now what I will do, I will make a composite of all these 17 images, and then I will flip that images over my area of interest. So now this will print only one image, but all the mean average of the all these 17 images, and let's hit control enter. And now this time only 19 bands, like we have converted all these images product into a composite of mean and clipped it over our area of interest. Now I have 19 bands. This is the formula provided by USGS, that you have to multiply your DN values with this and then add this number. So this is additive offset and this is scaling factor. I will use this formula on my band 10. Let's select only band 10. This is a variable named as band 10 is equal to Landsat dot select. Here, what is the name of our 10th band? Its name is st underscore band 10. Now I can add this band on my map. Add this right over here. Turn off your polygon and hit control enter. Now this time it will only select band 10. So now let's calculate LST. So let's store the LST into a variable, and it will be equal to this. What is DN number? These pixels are having digital numbers. If I will use inspector tool and click right over here, then this is saying that this is digital number of this pixels. So our formula is saying that multiply DN with this scaling factor. I will use dot multiply. Paste it over here just like this. And this formula will provide us LST product in Kelvin, but if we want in Celsius, then we will use sub with 273.15. We will add some visualizing parameter. So where which is equal to, so we defined our visuals parameters. Now we will map our LST on this map layer, map.add layer, and this time we will use LST and then our visuals parameter just like this, and hit control enter. Okay, so this is the LST over my area of interest from this date range to this date range, and hit somewhere over here built up area, then you can see this is 36 Celsius. Okay, so if you want to export your image, then you can use this function export image to drive. Image is your LST image, and description folder region scale 30. So native spatial resolution of band 10 is 100 or 120 meters, but in level 2 dataset USGS rescaled this band into 30 meters. So yes, we can download 30 meter resolution and you can also switch this to 100, but I will go with 30, and CRS will be PGS this one, and max pixel this. So after hitting a run button in task, you will have your image. Just download this and the image will be in your Google Drive.